Why should women understand liberty along with equality in India? Women should understand liberty along with equality because equality alone does not fully explain what the Constitution protects. Equality tells us that a woman cannot be treated as inferior in the eyes of the law. Liberty tells us that her life, choices, dignity, movement, privacy, and lawful autonomy also matter. Together, these ideas give a fuller picture of what freedom under law means. Articles 14, 15, and 21 work together in this way. If a woman knows only equality, she may understand that discrimination is wrong, but she may still miss how the law also protects her personal liberty. Liberty matters because unfair control is not always about open discrimination. Sometimes the problem is coercion, confinement, intimidation, forced silence, invasion of privacy, or denial of lawful choice. A woman may be treated formally equally in words but still face serious interference with her freedom and dignity in practice. This is an inference from how Articles 14, 15, and 21 work together. That is why liberty is important. It helps women understand that the Constitution is not only against unequal treatment, it is also against unlawful control over life and personhood. Personal liberty under Article 21 is connected with dignity, privacy, bodily autonomy, and the right to live with lawful freedom. So equality answers one question, am I being treated as less? Liberty answers another, am I being controlled, silenced, exposed, or deprived of lawful freedom? This becomes clearer in women protective laws. The Sexual Harassment of Women at Workplace Act states that sexual harassment violates a woman's fundamental rights under Articles 14 and 15 and her right to life and to live with dignity under Article 21. That shows Indian law does not separate equality from dignity and liberty in real life. A woman needs all three ideas to understand why such conduct is legally serious. The same pattern appears in domestic violence law. The Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act gives civil remedies such as protection orders, residence orders, monetary relief, custody orders, compensation orders, and in-camera proceedings in appropriate cases. That reflects a broader legal principle. A woman does not lose liberty, dignity, or privacy just because harm happens inside a domestic relationship. Understanding liberty along with equality also helps women recognize problems earlier. A woman may not always face a direct statement of discrimination, but she may still face unlawful pressure, degrading control, invasion of private life, or threats to bodily autonomy. If she understands liberty, she can better identify that something is not only unfair but may also be unlawful. This is an inference from the constitutional framework and the cited statutes. So in simple words, women should understand liberty along with equality because equality protects equal status while liberty protects lawful freedom, dignity, privacy, and autonomy. Together they give a woman a stronger understanding of her rights under Indian law.